Looking for a motherboard that keeps up with the latest Intel processors? The ASUS LGA 1700 socket board is built to support 12th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron CPUs, plus it's ready for 13th Gen upgrades. What you get is a platform designed to unlock the full potential of your processor, whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling demanding workloads. What sets this motherboard apart is its powerhouse design. With a 12+1 power stage setup featuring ProCool power connectors, premium alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, it ensures stable, efficient power delivery to multi-core processors. This means smoother performance and better overclocking headroom. Plus, the integrated I/O cover and VRM heatsinks with high-conductivity thermal pads keep temperatures in check, even during intense sessions. 3 onboard M. 2 heatsinks further optimize storage performance by preventing overheating, so your drives stay fast and reliable. Connectivity options are equally impressive. You'll find support for HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1. 4 outputs, 3 2 slots for lightning-fast SSDs, and USB 3. 2 Gen 2x2 Type-C ports for next-level data transfer speeds. Networking is handled by Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Intel 2. 5 gigabits Ethernet with ASUS LGA, ensuring low latency and rock-solid connections whether you're gaming online or streaming high-res content. The board also includes ASUS exclusive AI features like AI cooling, AI networking, and two-way AI noise cancellation, which intelligently optimize system performance and simplify setup. For anyone who enjoys building or upgrading their PC, this motherboard is a dream. The M.2Q latch makes swapping drives effortless, the pre-mounted I/O shield saves time, and the BIOS flashback button lets you update firmware without a CPU installed. The QLED system helps diagnose issues quickly, reducing frustration during setup. On top of all that, ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting offers unmatched personalization with 1 RGB header and 3 addressable Gen 2 headers to customize your rig's look. One user from the United States praised how easy it was to use the BIOS flashback feature to upgrade from a 1620 to a 1360K CPU, describing it as fast and straightforward, even for a first-timer. This kind of real-world validation shows the board's user-friendly design and reliability in action. If you're ready to build a system that delivers powerful performance, efficient cooling, and cutting-edge connectivity, the ASUS LGA 1700 motherboard is worth a look. It offers everything you need to maximize your Intel 12th or 13th Gen processor without hassle. Try it when you're ready to take your PC to the next level.